Hey, welcome. So today we're going to dive into a tiny two-letter word that is actually a huge deal for artificial intelligence. That word is it. We're going to break down exactly how an AI figures out the meaning of something so simple. And the answer, well, it's a brilliant idea called attention. Okay, take a look at this sentence. The cat caught the mouse. It ran away quickly. Now, for you and me, this is a piece of cake. You know instantly what it is, right? Your brain just gets it. No effort at all.
But for a machine, this is a real puzzle. How in the world does the AI figure out if it is the cat or the mouse? You know, solving this little mystery is absolutely key to making AI feel intelligent, and today, we are going to solve it together.
So what's the secret sauce here? Well, the big breakthrough that lets an AI solve this puzzle is something called the attention mechanism. And believe me, it completely changed the game for how machines understand language. The best way to think about attention is like a spotlight. When the AI gets to the word it, this mechanism shines a spotlight back on the rest of the sentence. It helps the machine zero in on the most important words to figure out the meaning. It's all about weighing what matters. But here's the cool part. This spotlight isn't just some vague gut feeling for the AI. No, it's all about the numbers. The attention mechanism literally scores the relationship between words to find the strongest possible link. And this is basically what it looks like in action. You can see the AI drawing these lines, these pathways, from the word it back to the other key players in the sentence. It's asking each one, hey, how strongly are you connected to me? And it's really looking hard at two candidates, the cat and the mouse. So the AI has its two main suspects. Is the connection stronger between it and the mouse or between it and the cat? To figure this out, the machine has to calculate a score for both of these possibilities before it can make a decision. And bam, here's our first score. For the link between it and mouse, the AI gives it a 0.95. That is incredibly high. On a scale of 0 to 1, that's basically the AI saying it's almost positive that the thing that ran away was the mouse. Okay, now for our second candidate. The connection between it and the cat gets a score of 0.7. Now, that's still a pretty decent score. I mean, the cat is a main character in the sentence, right? But it's a lot lower than the score for the mouse. So here's the takeaway. The AI just follows the math. That's it. The highest score wins. With a score of 0.95, the AI can confidently and correctly say that it refers to the mouse. Puzzle solved. But wait, how does the AI even come up with these scores? Well, it's not magic. You can think of it like a little team of specialized readers, all looking at the sentence from different angles at the same time. First up on the team, you've got the grammar reader. This one is the rule follower. It knows that it is a pronoun, and it probably refers to a noun that came right before it. It just handles the basic structure of the sentence. Next, you have the context and meaning reader. This is where the common sense kicks in. This specialist brings in real-world knowledge. It knows that, generally speaking, mice are things that run away, especially from cats. This is a huge reason the mouse connection scored so high. And finally, there's the topic reader. This reader's job is to keep its eye on the main characters of our little story. It's just tracking who is doing what, and it knows that both the cat and the mouse are central to what's happening. So when you put them all together, you see the whole process. It's this combination of grammar rules, real-world context, and topic tracking that lets the AI generate those really specific scores. Each reader on the team adds its own piece of the puzzle, and that leads to, 1, super accurate conclusion. So why do we care so much about solving this tiny problem with the word it? Well, because this exact same principle is what allows AI to understand the messy, complicated, and often fuzzy nature of human language, but on a massive scale. And the power of attention, it is all around you. It's what lets you have a surprisingly normal conversation with a chatbot. It's the engine making language translation better and better. It's how a search engine understands what you mean, not just the words you typed. It is, no exaggeration, the foundation for everything from ChatGPT to all the other big language models we use every day. So really, when you boil it all down, this whole sophisticated system is the AI's attempt to copy something that we humans do naturally: understand context. It's about seeing how words fit together as part of a bigger picture, not just as words in a list. And that brings us to a really big final thought. We've seen that an AI can follow context with amazing precision. But Does grasping context mean the same thing as truly understanding? And that's a question that takes us from computer science right into philosophy. It's something we're all going to be thinking about as this tech keeps growing. It's a pretty fascinating puzzle, isn't it? Thanks for joining me.